What's up guys, welcome to Baking Nirvana. My name's William. Today we will be making some fluffy pancakes. This is really good for a nice breakfast. You can add maple syrup to them, just butter, Nutella, whatever you fancy. For this recipe you will need 135 grams of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of caster sugar, 2 tablespoons of melted butter. The first thing you need to do is to put the dry ingredients to a mixing bowl. Once you've done that, you just want to mix it together so it's combined. Now it's time to pour the melted butter to the milk. Then now you crack the egg. Once you've done that, now it's time to whisk that together. Now you combine both the wet mixture plus the flour, sugar, baking powder and salt. And then just stir and mix well till a thick mixture is formed. You will just need to grease your frying pan and let it warm up and with a high heat till it's ready so you can put your pancake mixture. To make the perfect pancakes you need to use a ladle because that makes a perfect circle. Now your pan is ready, now it's time to make your first pancake. Now I've turned the pancake to the other side. Now it's time to plate up your pancakes. Now I've done the first one, you can make as many as you like. Maybe this mixture makes around 6, depending how big you like them and how small you like them. There you go guys, that's how you make fluffy pancakes. They were so easy to make, you can make them for breakfast, but they look good as well. They're perfect circle. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, then let me know what you want me to make next. Bye!